Hey guys, it's me Luis. I have this one is the Discovery Land Rover 2016. We're gonna put it real fast. I go faster because the battery on my camera is not good, so I have to just show we do the job on the right way. So the owner is there, but I'm gonna do it right here at the corner. The humidity is a lot, so I gotta go fast today. Okay, then close here. Alright, so now let's go. It's gonna be a little harder. These guys put the headliner like this. I don't like, because you see, it's coming with the damage. I don't know who did that. I'm just here to put the glass. If someone did that, it's gonna get them in trouble. They know me. Alright, so I'm gonna go from inside here. Get this door open. Let's go all the way up. Just think about it, that thing fell on the glass on the car. Man, that was bad. So I'm gonna go fast inside. Alright. So I got my tapes on, so just to know where it's gonna be. Just always trust in God, because this thing fall or something's gonna happen. It's gonna hit my head. They're gonna hit my head and maybe die. So bad. So I got my right there. Got my pin exactly right there. Now we're going back. And that was the second one. It's right there. And hit. Okay. Nice. And shine. Okay guys, so we finish here. We go out. Get the way out. And we finish and we make the money today. Alright, so all's in place. It's not much to adjust. I gotta go down here, but I gotta take the tape out. I don't want to be in trouble just to pull it out. I'm gonna just pull down a little bit. There you go. And that's up. Someone called this little crane a piece of shit. You know how I mean. But now this piece of S is making all the jobs I need and make my money.